Welcome, SDS users. We understand that things don't always go as planned. Whether it's a process not working, an inoperative function, your tablet getting stuck, or any other issue, please don't hesitate to let us know. All issues related to SDS43 and SDS50 tablets can be reported using our RepairSolutionsPRO app, or rspro. Ensure the app is installed on your phone. If not, access the App Store or Google Play and download it now. Once you have rspro up and running, navigate to the side menu. Locate the Support section, tap the arrow, and select Report an Issue. Then, tap Continue. Now, tell us about your issue. First, identify your vehicle. If you've already paired your SDS with your rspro account and submitted reports, you will find some pre-filled options to choose from. If not, you can manually enter the VIN for your vehicle or use your camera to scan it. Next, select the tool where the problem is present. Note that if you haven't paired your tool yet, this option isn't available. The crucial step is to specify the issue you've encountered, whether it's related to OBD2 diagnostics, OEM diagnostics, or workshop tools. Depending on your selection, additional sections such as ECU, system, function, or other relevant options will display for further details. This information helps us pinpoint and categorize the issue more accurately. Once you've provided these details, the final step is to describe your issue in as much detail as possible. The more information you provide, the faster we can resolve your problem. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please feel free to share them with us. We value your input and are always looking for ways to improve our tools. Your contribution not only helps us improve our products, but also prevents other customers from experiencing the same issues. Our goal is to make the SDS experience as seamless as possible. Thanks for being a part of our community and helping us make SDS even better. Should you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.